Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we were studying about the lesson number 2, animals and their adaptations. Yes dear students, as we have started with the concept breathing process in animals. As I have told about inhale and exhale, the animals will inhale oxygen, they will exhale carbon dioxide. Land animals, yes, land animals is nothing but the animals which live on a land. Okay, they will take inside oxygen from atmosphere. And the aquatic animals, nothing but the plants which live in a water, they will take the oxygen from dissolved water. Aquatic animals breathe inside oxygen dissolved in a water. Okay, so today in this video class we will see the different organs. Okay, the organs, the breathing organs of animals here. Which are the breathing organs of animals? Okay, let us see. The first one is breathing in insects. With which organ the insects will breathe? Okay, with the spiracles. Okay, most insects breathe passively through special opening on their bodies called spiracles. The air reaches inside the body by series of small pipes called trachea. Yes dear students, I will show here. This is a grasshopper. This is one of the insect. Can you see here the spiracles? Nothing but these are the small openings, special openings which are present on there here. The openings you can observe. These are the openings, small openings which are present on their body. Okay, with the help of these openings, it will take inside oxygen. And with the help of the tracheal tubes, it is passed throughout the body. So, which is the breathing organ in insect? Spiracle. Spiracle is the breathing organ in a insect. You have to remember this much only here. In a simple you remember. Which is the breathing organ in insects? Spiracles. Breathing organ in insect is spiracles. The next one is breathing in a fish. Yes, here the fish breathe through the gills here, which is the name of the organ. Yes, dear students, how we all are having nose for breathing purpose. In a fish, there is a gills are present. There are gills are present. With the help of these gills, the fish will breathe. Nothing but it will take oxygen, okay, and it will release carbon dioxide. Fish breathe through gills here. Gills enable them to breathe underwater. A fish breathes by taking water into its mouth. How the fish will breathe here? First it will take water in its mouth and forcing it out through gill passages. Then it will pass into the gills here. As the water passes over thin wall of the gills, the dissolved oxygen moves into the blood and travels to the different organ of the fish here. Yes, dear students, here just you remember the gills here. With which organ the fish will breathe? With the help of gills, the fish breathes here. Can you see? This is the gills here. This is the gill. Okay, with the help of these gills, the fish will breathe here. Okay, the next one is breathing in amphibians. As you all know, what are amphibians? Amphibians are nothing but the animals which live on land and in water, both, even on land also and in water also. Example, frog. Amphibians can live in water as well as on land. Yes, these amphibians, nothing but the animals. Okay, these will live in water also, even on land also. Adult amphibians can breathe through lungs and their skin. Okay, these, see dear students, adult amphibians, what they will do? They will breathe through the lungs and their skin here. Whereas the babies of their, okay, amphibians, what they will do? They will live in water and breathe through a gills here. Same way, even they are having a gills. Babies will breathe through gills here. The adult amphibians, they will breathe through the lungs and their skin here. So what is a breathing system in amphibians? The breathing system in amphibians is with the help of lungs and their skin. The amphibians will breathe through the lungs and their skin here. This much the point you remember here. The next one is a breathing in reptiles. Nothing but these animals, they will lay eggs here. A lot of reptiles live on land, but some of them also live in water. Yes, some of the reptiles, they will live on land also, and they will live even in water also. They breathe through the lungs here. What is the breathing system in reptiles? With the help of the lungs here. Crocodile live in a water, but they do not have a gills. So they breathe by raising their heads above the surface of water. How the crocodile they will breathe, dear students? By raising their heads above the surface of water. You have seen. Okay. So generally the reptiles will breathe with the help of the lungs here. But the crocodiles, they are living in a water, they don't have a gills. But by raising their heads, they will breathe here. So next, breathing in birds. Birds breathe through the lungs here. So what is the organ in birds? Lungs. They have a small holes known as a nares. Okay, they are having some of the small hole here. How we human beings are having two openings from our nose. In the same manner, these birds are having what here? Some small holes. That holes it is called as a nares here. On both the sides of their beaks to inhale air. Here I will show the picture. This is the ostrich bird. Yes, it is having one small, what it is? Hole. That hole it is called as a nare. So with the help of lungs, okay, so with the help of this nare, it will take inside the, it will take in air and it is transferred to the lungs here. The next one, breathing in mammals. Mammals breathe through their nose. As you all know that mammals are nothing but, yes, human beings, nothing but the animals which give birth to their young ones and they will feed with the milk here. The main organ in a mammals is what here? Nose. With the help of nose, the mammals will breathe here. A pair of lungs is one of their respiratory organ. A pair of lungs is one of the respiratory organ. As we all are having one pair of lung. One pair equal to two lungs we are having. One left lung and another one is a right lung. So these mammals, they will breathe through their nose here. So the breathing organ in a mammals is nose. So, and even they are having one pair of respiratory organs. Water mammals like whales and dolphins also possesses a pair of lungs here. As you all know that these are the whales and dolphins, they will live in a, where? They will live in a water. And these will come under a mammals. They will give birth to their young ones and they will feed with the, they will feed those babies with the milk here. So even they are also having a pair of lungs. And even they are having the small openings, that is the nose part. So they cannot breathe underwater and have come up to the surface and breathe. Dear students, these water living animals like whales and dolphins, they will not breathe in a water. As we know that, yes, in water the dissolved oxygen is present. But these dolphins and whales, they cannot breathe in a water. So what they will do? They will rise upside from their head and they will breathe here. Instead of nostrils, they have what they have here? Blowhole for breathing. When they breathe in, oxygen from the air enters their body through the blowhole. When they breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves the body through the blowhole along with the water. Here you can observe that blowhole. So with the help of this only, it will take inside oxygen, and with the help of this blowhole only it will release out carbon dioxide. Can you see here? This is the hole part, that is a blowhole. One hole is a round color. With the help of these dolphin and whales, they will take inside oxygen and they will release out carbon dioxide. As these dolphins and whales, they cannot breathe underwater. Okay, remember, these dolphins and whales, they cannot breathe underwater. So what they will do? They will come up to the surface, nothing but just they will come out. They will raise their head to the atmosphere. Then they will take inside oxygen with the help of blowhole. And with the help of this blowhole only, they will put out the carbon dioxide. So which is the breathing in a mammals? Generally it is nose, and in a mammals and dolphin it with the help of blowhole. Okay, B-L-O-W, blow, H-O-L-E, hole, blowhole. So dear students, today what we have studied? Today we have studied the breathing process in animals. So at last, once again I will revise here, which is the breathing organ in an insect? Spiracles. Next one is which is the breathing organ in a fish? Yes, the fish will breathe through the help of gills. Next, breathing in amphibians. Yes, the amphibians, they will breathe through their lungs and skin. And the breathing system in reptiles. The reptiles will breathe with the help of what here? Okay, with the help of the skin here, lungs here. With the help of the lungs, the reptiles will breathe here. And as you know that crocodile is one of the reptile. Okay, they do not have a gills, just they will come up to the surface and they will breathe with the head here. Next one is a breathing system in a birds. Even the birds will breathe through their lungs. Next one is a breathing in mammals. The breathing system in a mammals is a nose, and in case of dolphin and whales it is having a blowhole. With the help of that blowhole, the whales and dolphin will exchange their gases, nothing but breathing process. So today we learned about this, all the breathing system in these animals. In the next class we will study about the feeding habits in animals. Till that, dear students, read this concept, the breathing process in animals. Make the points and in rough book and read it. In the next video class again we will continue with this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.